going ongoing thing.
I remember laughing and playing games. I could always tell you what I want to say. Baby, did you feel the same? I remember laughing and playing games. When you came and took a seat right next to me, ice was running through my veins. And then you looked at me when I fell down. You picked me up off the ground. And that moment then, I knew we'd have the sum of our lives together. Was first love, I was out of hell. Let me tell you, baby, this is not a game. Let me tell you, darling, you were not the same. Let me tell you everything that I need to say, 'cause you were not the same. That night was so insane. What a time we had. Didn't have a care or thought to worry about, apart from when this all will end. But I don't regret it, not a single thing. I hope that I will see you shining once again, and we can live another day. And then you looked at me when I fell down. You picked me up off the ground. And that moment then, I knew we'd have the sum of our lives together. Was first love, I was out of hell. Let me tell you, baby, this is not a game. Let me tell you, darling, you were not the same. Let me tell you everything that I need to say, 'cause you were not the same. That night was so insane. You make me lose my brain. That night was so insane. I want to win this game.
They said, don't fall. Don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run. Don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. They said, be meek. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On